Hi Chung, how are you?
Hi, Licky.
I didn't mean to startle you. You have done your circumambulation for today?
Yes, I did.
Perfect weather too as
Yeah,
well.
it's very nice.
I have a question to ask you, which is on my mind. People are saying that Dorje Shugden practitioners are on China's payroll to create problems for Tibet. What are your views on this?
Well, I think it's very much a generalization. You know, we read about all sorts of crime every day in the newspapers, murders, rapes, corporate crimes. But certainly, if you think about it, if a murder happens in America and is reported, does that mean that all Americans are murderers? No, obviously not. Similarly, if, for example, if you hear of, say, a church leader embezzling funds from a church, that doesn't mean all church leaders are embezzlers. Yeah. If you put that in context with Dorje Shugden and the Tibetans in general, I'm sure, in the world today, there are good people, there are bad people. If a Tibetan, for example, for whatever personal reason, works in the interest for the Chinese, you cannot definitely say that all Tibetans work for the Chinese. It's just illogical. If you apply that to Dorje Shugden practitioners, as you said, your question, the same. Whereby if, for whatever personal reason, a Dorje Shugden practitioner receives some form of financial aid from the 1.3 billion Chinese, there must be some person that is generous enough to aid this particular Dorje Shugden practitioner. You cannot generalize the same for all Dorje Shugden practitioners. What the Tibetan leadership is doing now in generalizing and calling all Dorje Shugden practitioners as dogs of the Chinese.
That's right. Actually, Chinese dogs is very common.
Yeah.
They use it very, very commonly
Correct.
against the DS practitioners, yes.
As all of them, we are all receiving financial aid, funds from China. That cannot be logical, cannot be possible. So what I would like to say in a question is that personally also, I'm a Dorje Shugden practitioner, as you know, and I can say for sure that I don't receive any money from China. And I'm sure that is the same for many, many, many other Dorje Shugden practitioners.
Right. So basically, what I understand from what you have expressed is that people have a tendency to generalize. They see something happen and then they generalize and they make it like it's the whole truth and nothing but the truth. And sometimes these generalizations are just baseless and there's insufficient evidence to make such a generalization. And similarly, there may be a small population of Tibetans who may receive funds or have financial connections with China, and these Tibetans need not be Dorje Shugden practitioners, or they may be Dorje Shugden practitioners. So to generalize like what they have done now, to say that all DS practitioners are on China's payroll to make trouble for Tibet is actually very, very inaccurate.
Yes, it makes them look stupid.
Thank you for your time and to share your thoughts with me.
Thank you, Ricky.